Good morning, Standard 2. So we're going to go ahead and review how to do mental division. So we're first going to say 280 divided by 4. The easiest thing to do is to break it down into 2 digits. So we're going to look at the first 2 numbers together. We want to say how many times can 4 go into 28. Now, if you know your times table, you will know that 4 can go into 28 7 times. But if you need to look at your timetable sheet to review, that is fine. You're going to find the 4 times table. And on the answer side, you're going to look down until you find the number 28. And we can see 4 times 7 is 28, which means 4 into 28 is 7. So I know that 4 can go into 28 7 times. So 4 into 28 is 7. And then 4 into 0 is 0. So my answer is 70. Let's take a look at this one. We want to first look at the first 2 numbers and divide it into that. So we want to say, how many times can 9 go into 72? I'm going to get my timetable sheet here to show you how to find the answers if you don't remember your times table. So we're going to look for the 9 times table, and we're going to look at the answer side to find 72. We found 72. 9 times 8 is 72, which means 9 into 72 is 8. So 9 can go into 72 8 times. So I'm going to put 8 here because 9 into 72 is 8. Then I want to say 9 into 0 is 0. And 9 into 0, that other 0 there is 0. Or if I want, I can just bring the 2 zeros that I have behind the number and it will be correct. So 9 can go into 7,200 800 times. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this one. We want to first look at the first 2 numbers. So how many times can 3 go into 24? Gonna find my 3 times table, look at my answer, and I'm gonna look for 24. I can see 3 times 8 is 24. So that means 3 into 24 is 8. So 3 can go into 24 8 times. And I know there's 2 zeros here. I need to bring those 2 zeros to the side here, but I can also say 3 into 0 is 0. 3 into 0 is 0. So my answer is 800. So on the next slide, you're going to have some mental division to do, along with some mental addition, mental subtraction, mental multiplication, so that we're practicing all those mentally. Bye.